Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here we eat, explore and enjoy life. So if that's your vibe, kindly subscribe. If you're new, my name is Mercy. If you're a returning subscriber, my name is still Mercy. Oh, and today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Yeah, and with us we have our private chef.
Chef Kim.
Yeah, and what are you going to prepare for us today?
We are preparing chocolate cake.
Yeah, chocolate cake.
Yeah.
So let's get started, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So these are our dry ingredients. We have baking powder, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, 1 kg of flour because we're cooking 2 kgs cake. This is milk. This is cooking oil, 1.5 cup. This is our coffee, 4 eggs plus vanilla essence, sugar. Yeah, and these are our baking tins which are already greased. So let's start.
So we have already saved our all-purpose flour, and then the next procedure, we put some cocoa powder. Save it as we have saved the all-purpose flour. Done. We put our baking powder, our bicarbonate or baking soda, put our salt. Already done with our dry ingredients. You mix the dry ingredients using a spatula or a whisk, but I prefer a spatula. As you all know, I'm Chef Kim. My contact number is 011 39 88 750. You can find me at TikTok or Facebook. At TikTok, I present myself as Roy Kim Isido. Facebook is Roy Kim. Yeah.
It's my birthday. I'ma do it alive. I'ma do it alive. Yeah, it's my birthday.
I'ma do it alive. I'ma do it alive. I'ma do it alive.
It's my birthday.
I'ma do it alive. I'ma
Yeah.
do it alive. I'ma do it alive.
Yeah, guys, it's my birthday and I am so excited. But I've never been this excited for a birthday, honestly. I have never been this excited for a birthday. Yes, so let's continue our baking. We're baking chocolate cake, 2 kgs.
Yeah.
I hope it's going to turn out well. But anyway, I have faith in Chef Kim. Yeah, so let's continue.
So the first procedure we have already done with the dry ingredients. Put it aside. Let's come to the wet ingredients. So here we have our 4 eggs. We pour some vanilla essence. So we put some oil. Don't worry, we have measured it. Put our
Oil size gun.
our milk and our coffee, our hot coffee. We stir it with using our whisk. So our second procedure, we have already finished our wet ingredients. So after that, you mix all the dry and wet ingredients. Make a hole on your dry ingredients. You pour your wet ingredients. You mix it well, and remember, do not overmix your butter. The butter of BATTER, not the butter of margarine. Many people will confuse.
Unafaa umix na side moja ama haina shida? You can mix any side.
Any side. So remember, you whisk the mixture of dry and wet ingredients. Don't allow it to form lumps. Should be smooth.
Your butter should be smooth.
Yeah. So the correct consistency of your butter should be running. Should not be too thick or too thin. Should be running. After mixing it, you take your baking tray or baking tin. You greased it. We have already greased it. Yeah. And remember, when you are putting your butter on your baking tray, you should not overfill the baking tray due to the essence of the baking powder. It will prove it. Once you finished filling your baking trays, you first preheat your oven for 10 minutes. The correct temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. So the cake cooking time is 40 to 45 minutes. We have already preheated our oven. So we are going to take our filled baking tray to our oven. Yeah, thank you.
So this is how many minutes? 50 minutes. 180 degrees up and down with fan. Okay, so let's put our tins. Our oven is already preheated.
10 minutes.
So yeah, we've preheated our oven for 10 minutes. So there goes our tins. We can't wait to see how it's gonna turn out. Yeah, we can't wait to see the results, the final results. So we hope for the best. Yeah, we give it 50 minutes. Commercial.
So we have our remaining butter. So we put it in the muffin cups to make a chocolate muffin cups or chocolate cupcakes. Remember, do not overfill it.
After filling the cups, put them in the oven for 40 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, and our cupcakes turned out so well. The cake was well baked, moist, fluffy, and delicious. I hope you found this recipe easy to follow and that you'll give it a try. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, give this video a like, comment, and share with your loved ones. Also, be on the lookout for my next video on how I celebrated my birthday. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.